16B students, someone had a question about how supply functions and producer surplus works and consumer surplus. And so here's the setup. Supply function is given by P of x equal to 4x. P is the number of dollars, x is the number of units, and the equilibrium price is given to be $40. And the question is, what's the producer surplus? And the way you calculate this, the way you find out how to calculate this is you look in the book in chapter 5.5. There is a whole thing on page 360 about finding surpluses. Consumer surplus is given by the integral from 0 to the number of units, which we'll calculate here, of the integral of the price, the equilibrium price, minus the supply function. If you want, we can get more into why this is what it is, but it's more of an econ thing than a calculus thing. So here's the thing. We know the equilibrium price was given to us. We know the supply function is 4x. And the number of units we actually have to calculate, saying, well, if the equilibrium price is $40 and the supply function is 4x, if we set 4x equal to 40, we get x equal to 10. So x is the number of units at that equilibrium price. And then we just integrate. So we get 40x minus 4x squared over 2 is 2x squared from 0 to 10. We're going to get 40 times 10 minus 2 times 10 squared, which is 200, minus 0 minus 0. So we end up getting a producer surplus of 200. 200 what? That's a good question. I don't really know what that actually supposed to mean. Is it 200? I guess it's 200 units maybe, but I don't actually know. So there's a consumer surplus of 200, but I don't know what the meaning of that exactly is. But there you go.